Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create a text reveal animation in After Effects. Grab Type tool. Now type the text you want. Pick Selection tool. Go to Window, Align. Now align the text to center of the artboard. Select Text Layer. Pick Rectangle tool. Now draw a rectangle around the text. You can clearly see a mask added into the text layer. Click this drop-down arrow and select None. Grab Selection tool and select Text Layer. Select the mask path and drag it like this. Nothing happened to the text. Now change None to Add. Select the mask path and drag it like this. You can see the difference. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. After that, select outside of the layer panel and pick Rectangle tool. I am changing fill color to red. Now draw a rectangle like this. Pick Selection tool and align rectangle shape to vertically center. Now select Text Layer. Go 0 seconds in timeline. Click drop-down arrow. Select the mask path and drag it like this. Click stopwatch icon in mask path. Now drag the timeline to here. Select the mask path and drag it like this. You can see the preview. After that, select Shape Layer and press P in keyboard. Now I am taking a duplicate of this layer. Press Ctrl plus D. Press P in the keyboard. Click stopwatch icon. Now drag timeline to here. Change the X position of the shape layer to like this. You can see the duplicate shape that we got. Let's see the preview. Great! Select Toggle Switches. Now on Motion Blur for these layers. Cool! Now select these 3 layers and press U twice to display keyframes. Select all the keyframes and right-click. Keyframe Assistant. Easy ease. Now the animation runs smoothly. After that, drag the timeline to here and select both shape layers and press T to bring opacity. Click stopwatch icon. Now drag timeline to here and change the opacity to 0. Now select the text layer. Drag timeline to here. Change the mask like this. Okay. Drag timeline to here and click stopwatch icon in mask opacity. Now drag timeline to here and change opacity to 0. I am rearranging keyframes like this. Cool. Now select these keyframes. Right-click, Keyframe Assistant, Easy Ease. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.